If they saw these dance moves, everybody would come fishing with me.
Oh, Steelhead, what? Oh yeah, boys. Feel it in my bones.
Welcome to Decked. Let's get after it recap. Last year we spent the whole year cruising around, getting to visit with all our gnarliest ambassadors. So we're gonna recap all the highs, the lows, close calls. Let's get into it. The first episode was with an absolute legend, Ben Wilkinson. How are you? He is just such a gentle giant and just this absolute gem of a human and a husband and a dad.
Oh, I love your haircut.
I love surfing and I've always been very intrigued by the big wave side and just the amount of courage it takes to go do those things, but also just being a craftsman and woodworker. You think it's good enough to get wet?
Yeah, what do you reckon, go surf?
I think so. Let's get out of here. Let's go surf. Yes. If Ben was sitting here right now, I'd probably just give him a big hug. Big squeeze.
Valentine's Day.
Leading up to my time with Ricky, I was very excited to see a tornado for the first time. But I got super sick and each minute felt like a year of my life was going by.
My body just started shutting down.
What was fun though, is that it's exactly like the movie. People driving around, crazy ass trucks, the dirt roads, the people gathering at gas stations, exactly like Hollywood. Those guys are so superstitious, eating certain pizzas and Barbie doll legs. We stepped into their world and just went absolute nonstop.
Catch a tornado.
And he just goes and drives all night, barely sleeps. These guys are chasing that every single day.
When you're out there and you feel so small beside something so big that you don't fully understand, but fuck is it beautiful, that never gets old.
I learned that you could be as gnarly as Kyle is in this world where you're a gladiator in the Coliseum, but just the most mellow, kindest person that you could be around. You can do both. He's obviously committed his whole life to mountain biking, and it's fun to watch him pass on all that knowledge to the younger generations.
At first, it was just going to be my training grounds and a place to have open space for us to live and raise a family. And now into a place where we coach, people come to ride and enjoy mountain biking.
It goes far beyond just skills of riding a bike and how he's developing these young kids as good humans. That's what a true mentor is. David Gravette's like an absolute wild man. And Gravette's an absolute beast in the skateboarding world.
My skateboard career, along with my whole life, I feel like is an insane roller coaster from small town in Washington, and it's even more insane that we're still here 20 years later and in the new skate game. Like, I don't know, life's crazy.
From what I know about skateboarding, you gotta be willing to put it all on the line, and you're failing way more than you're ever being successful, and that takes a special human to just pack away all those failures just for those little successes. It's so sick to see him somehow take this crazy ass style that he has skateboarding, and then somehow he fishes the same way.
Oh, my love of fishing. It's one of the greatest romances of this modern era, I'd say.
He's out there just like, you know, like ripping these carp's lips out. Lacy's laugh just brings such a smile to my face. I just want to be around that energy. Like if I could be around Lacy's energy every single day.
If they saw these dance moves, everybody would come fishing with me.
Making the dumbest jokes and cracking up and just giggling and stuff. Like that's the energy I want to be around. So knowledgeable too. Like she hopped on the fly rod for a little bit and was just like, here, watch, like this. You know, boom! And they're just like, oh, how'd she make that look so easy? You see that? different world down there, just frothing for the next fish to latch on. She was more excited to see me catch those fish than if she caught them herself.
That's the key. If you quit having fun doing this, then you probably should quit doing it. Get out of here.
Getting to see Wade as a family man and his two sons, who are absolute beasts when it comes to duck hunting.
I really hope that they duck hunt and love it the way I love it. And if they don't love it and they don't want to do that, then how do I help them be better or do more at what they want to do, you know? But I'll always be proud of them. I don't think they could ever make me not.
And then on top of that, his crew that he runs with, who he's known his whole life. You know, he's known these guys. And just the commitment that these guys have to go every single day, day in and day out, just pushing it, pushing it, pushing it. We were only there for a couple days and they just do that all season. The boats are sick, dude. Like just pretty much mud bogging with boats. It's like the closest thing to off-roading. It's like there's no worries, you know? They're just happy to be alive. Bless you, Curtis.
Your little honey hole.
The big surprise for me with fishing with Curtis is how hard it was to wade in the river and fly fish.
Get ready to reel.
It's nice to have a guide slash anchor to hold on to me. And he's such a gem. The crazy thing is that Curtis is an absolute beast when it comes to snowboarding. He's taken that same passion to fishing, and we got it done. I caught 2 steelhead, I caught 1 hatchery one, and then we caught a wild one.
Why gonna cheeks get all rosy like that?
He's just as committed to fishing as he is snowboarding. For him to be patient and just like take his time with me, that was special.
There you go.
Wouldn't have been able to catch those fish without Curtis. The biggest thing that ties all these people together is just the extreme amount of passion it takes to get good at the things that they've gotten good at, and they just want to share that with everybody. These things have created the people that they are, and they've given their life to it, and that is special.